The battery is drained after 15 minutes of use and needs a jump start. With a booster, it starts right up, but we need to replace it for peace of mind. Replacing your car battery is very simple, but doing it right is very important because you're dealing with something dangerous and there is a risk. So let's do it properly on this 2017 Lexus RX350. First, of course, park your car on the level ground and make sure it's not moving before you start the job. Wear your gloves and safety glasses. Before proceeding, if you worry about your car's memory and settings, you can use a battery maintainer through the OBD2 port or 12-volt outlet to preserve your car's settings, like radio presets, seat positions, and ECU data. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first, then the positive. There's some corrosion here, which we're going to clean later. For now, I'm going to put this aside to reduce any risk of connecting it again. I'm going to wrap this and zip tie it or use a Velcro. Leave it there. And now we can disconnect the positive. The reason to disconnect the negative first and then the positive is to reduce any chance of getting a short. Also, it reduces the chance of getting a spark because when you remove the positive terminal and reconnect, it's going to create spark in here. Remove the positive and put it aside. By the way, all the nuts are 10 millimeter. Now we are ready to remove the hook, which is also a 10 millimeter. Use a 10 millimeter open wrench or a deep socket, 10 millimeter. Now this is disconnected. This is the hook that secures the battery. The other side of the clamp is secure here with another 10 millimeter. Now you can remove this metal piece. Lift up the old battery. It's time to clean the space here. Remove these and do a good cleaning. Consider wearing a mask during this cleaning. Now use a terminal brush to clean inside each connector. Remove corrosion and also make sure you have a solid connection with the new terminal. It looks shiny inside, which is great. The same on the negative. Again, we want to remove the corrosion, which is terrible. What really matters is the inside of the connector. Okay, now it looks beautiful inside and out. Now put this in. There's a direction pointing to the front. Now put the battery in. This is how it was originally installed on the old battery, so looks like this is the only way I'm going to do it. Now on the new battery, the terminal should be good and you don't have to clean it, but you can use the other side of the brush to clean it. And that should be good enough. I'm going to secure the battery And then there's a hook under there. I think it's easier to make sure this side goes in first before you secure the other side here. Tighten this down. I will cover this terminal just in case. Now we can secure the other side. For now, don't make it too tight because we may have to adjust a little bit further. Slide the terminal pads over onto the posts. Red for the positive and green for the negative. These will help prevent future corrosion. Reconnect the positive terminal first. This will reduce the chance of having a spark from the positive. Now the negative terminal. Make it snug. That should be good. After you have connected the terminals, you may consider applying a thin layer of dielectric grease around the base of the terminal connection. This will help prevent corrosion from fumes and moisture, so it would be helpful. But what you don't want to do is apply the dielectric grease on the post before you connect the terminals, right? So you want solid connection on the terminal, but you want to apply it outside to insulate the terminal base from fumes and moisture. Okay, that can be helpful. The same on the positive and the negative terminals. And now we should tighten this down. Until it's secure, and then tighten the other side. Until it's snug. Good. Now double check. Everything is secure. Tight, but not too tight. All looks good. It's all connected back. Let's give it a test by starting the car. It starts right up, no problem. The battery is good. Now, depending on your make and model, car may have to relearn some of the settings. This is the parking sonar, but it may be able to reset itself back to normal. Other than that, all looks good. Now return the old battery to recycle it and for the core charge. This battery has been there for at least 4 years. It was there when I purchased the car used. This should be the year, and then this is the month. No idea. And we are all done for today. If you found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Professor's Garage. If Professor can do it, you can do it. Until the next time, may the Lord bless you and give you peace. 平安。